Music is a mix of precision and harmony and requires a perfect instrument. A car must work perfectly, and when repairs are needed, you can only trust an expert. At BMW, we offer the highest standards of repairs using only original parts. However, third-party suppliers also make spare parts for BMW cars. To compare their quality, we commissioned DEKRA to carry out independent and extensive tests, comparing pedestrian protection, fit accuracy, corrosion resistance, and material property. These tests revealed clear quality differences. To maintain your vehicle's original showroom condition, make sure you only use original BMW parts and original BMW repair procedures, so that your BMW stays a true BMW.